Our activity is the opening of bids and, as stated a while ago, bid evaluation of lease of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NPO BAC file 0010-26 with an ABC of 213,500,000. I would like to ask the body to recognize the presence of a representative from JI Printers Incorporated from Cebu, as far as Cebu City, Mr. John Mark Jomer R. Gakayan. Good afternoon, sir. In adherence to the requirements of Section 43 of the IRR of RA 12009, invitations were sent to the following on April 29, 2026. To the State Auditor 3, Audit Team Leader of the Office of the Resident Co-Auditor of the National Printing Office, the Manager of the Consumer Operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative, the President of the National Printing Office Workers Association, the Office of the Executive Director of the Philippine Business for Social Progress, and the Office of the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Mr. Chair, we are now ready in discussing the bid submitted by JR Printers Incorporated. In this regard, I request that we requested the kind assistance of Mr. Adrian Andal to be assisted by Mr. King Kaluwag. We ask the indulgence of the TWG, Mr. Chair, and in this regard, may I request the body to recognize them. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, may we request to open the mother envelope? Mr. Chair, the mother envelope is sealed and signed by the authorized representative. We are going to open now, Mr. Chair. Inside, Mr. Chair, is two envelope. The one is color. The blue envelope contains the technical component, and the green envelope contains the financial component. Both sealed and signed by the authorized representative. Mr. Chair, the green envelope, which is the financial component, will be turned over to the back chair. Mr. Chair, may we open the technical component envelope?
Hi, good afternoon again, everyone. To continue po, the bidder submitted the first requirement, Certificate of Field Jobs Registration, Platinum Membership, issued on December 30, 2025, and valid until December 30, 2026. Sige ako na. Under Annex A, SEC Certificate Registration Date, March 11, 1992. Mayor's Permit Expiration Date, December 31, 2026. Tax Clearance Expiration Date, October 6, 2026. Audited Financial Statement, Date of Filing, May 4, 2026. Pickup License not applicable. Next requirement is the bidder statement of single largest completed contract. Under National Printing Office, date of contract May 14, 2026. Kind of goods, list of printing machines and printing of accountable and non-accountable forms. Amount of contract, 137,120,510 pesos and 38 cents. Date of delivery, March 24, 2026, with attached certificate of acceptance with at least satisfactory rating. Duly signed by John Mark Kakayan, dated May 13, 2026.
Okay. Wait. Doon po sa observation. Date of contract is May 14, 2026. Please take note. Delivery is March 24, 2026. Subject to validation. But, of course, subject to discussion pa rin yan. Based on the contracts. Okay. Proceed.
Showing you the certificate of completion and acceptance with satisfactory rating.
Wait nga lang ma'am, tingnan nga natin dito. Baka makita natin. Ayan, nandyan na po. May 14, 2025. Typo. Sino nag-prepare ng bid docs? Are you the authorized, Mr. Undersecretary Certificate? Sino nag-prepare ng bid docs? Okay. Sige. Continue. Sige.
Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their computation of their net financial contracting capacity amounting to 2,179,589,010 pesos. Signed by John Mark Gakayan. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their ongoing government and private contracts. Both government and private, the bidder don't have any contract signed by John Mark Gakayan. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their bid securing declaration. signed by John Mark Jomer Gakayan, dated May 6, 2026. And notarized by Attorney Agustin Ignatius V. Ong Vanyo with MCLE compliance number 8. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6, Section 7, and supplemental bid bulletin, if any. Under Section 6, and supplemental bid bulletin dated May 11, 2026. Also, the bidder's compliance under Section 7. Next requirement is the bidder's omnibus sworn statement. Again, duly signed by Mr. John Mark Gakayan, dated May 6, 2026, by the same notary public. Hindi makin. Next requirement is the bidder secretary certificate authorizing Mr. John Mark Gakayan as the authorized representative for the said project, dated May 6, 2026, signed by the corporate secretary, Sarah Jocelyn T. Go, notarized by the same notary public. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation of the technical requirements.
TWG for the observation and recommendation.
Upon examination of the required contents of the technical component envelope, specifically the valid and updated PhilJEP Certificate of Registration, Platinum Membership, including Annex A, original and duly signed statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract with attached certificate of acceptance with satisfactory rating, original and duly signed computation of net financial contracting capacity, original and duly signed statement of all of its ongoing government and private contracts, original copy and duly notarized bid securing declaration, conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6 and 7 of the bidding documents and supplemental bid bulletin, original and notarized omnibus sworn statement, and original and notarized secretary's certificate. Submitted by JI Printers Incorporated, the TWG finds the submission to be complete. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends that the committee proceed with the opening of its financial component envelope.
You did not mention the findings about the SLCC. Any observation or whatsoever?
During the bid opening is for the pass or fail criterion. The observation for the single largest completed contract is to be verified by the TWG for the post-qualification process.
The recommendation of the TWG is now before the body. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the technical. Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Again, any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. Back Secretariat, please prepare the necessary notice to GI. I'm so sorry. The TWG is requested to or instructed to conduct the bid evaluation. Oh my God. Sorry again. Please proceed to the opening of the financial component envelope. Pagod na. Proceed, Ira.
Mr. Chair, the bidder submitted 3 pages financial requirements, all duly signed by the authorized representative. Mr. Chair, the bidder submitted their bid offer amounting to 210 million pesos. Same amount as stated at the price schedule, 210 million pesos. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation for the financial requirements of the bidder.
Yung Ma'am Ira, TWG again for the observation and recommendation.
Upon examination of the required contents of the financial component envelope submitted by JI Printers Incorporated, specifically the original and duly signed accomplished financial bid form and original and duly signed accomplished price schedule, the TWG finds the submission complete and compliant with the requirements. Accordingly, the technical working group respectfully recommends the formal acceptance of the financial proposal and further recommends that the bid be considered for bid evaluation to determine its calculated price.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. In the motion from the members of the back. The back is still present. May I repeat? The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. Any motion from the members of the back?
Mr. Chair, I move to adopt the recommendation made by the technical working group.
In objection, hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. Please proceed to the bid evaluation TWG.
To recognize Ms. Jaya Piches Galban and Mr. Paul Erio Klein Tampo, presenters.
Ms. Galban and Mr. Tampuk are now recognized.
Thank you po. The TWG would like to present the bid evaluation report for the project list of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under identification number MPO-BAC-FAL-010-26. Conclusion and recommendation. Based on the result of the bid evaluation as presented in this report, the bid submitted by JI Printers Incorporated in the amount of 210 million pesos for the project of list of one lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under identification number MPO-BAC-FAL-010-26 was found to be mathematically correct, with the total bid as rate being consistent with the total calculated bid. In accordance with the Republic Act Number 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations, the Technical Working Group hereby recommends the JI Printings Incorporated be declared as the single calculated bid, and that its bid be subject to post-qualification for the purpose of verifying, validating, and ascertaining the truthfulness, authenticity, and sufficiency of all documents submitted in support of its bids. That's all po. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Galban. The TWG recommended for the declaration of GI Printers Incorporation as the single calculated bid, and the submitted documents be subject to post-qualification. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
Mr. Chair, I move to adopt the recommendation.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. Please take note, BAC Secretariat. Please prepare the necessary notices to GI Printers Incorporation to submit the required post-qualification documents. Let's proceed to the discussion of other matters.